Want big dragonfruit plants from a single cutting? In 3 minutes, I'll show an easy, fail-proof method to root dragonfruit cuttings at home, no greenhouse needed. Welcome to PK Gardening. I grow and teach simple fruit propagation. Follow these exact steps and you'll get strong rooted cuttings in 3 to 6 weeks. You need healthy stem cuttings, 30 to 45 centimeters, sharp pruners, rubbing alcohol, rooting hormone optional, well-draining potting mix, a pot, and a warm, sunny spot. Step 1, selection and cut. Quickly wipe the pruners with alcohol to prevent infection. Choose mature, disease-free stems about 30 to 45 centimeters long with at least 2 to 3 ribs. Cut at a 45 degrees angle. Trim the lower end straight and remove any damaged parts. Similarly, we will cut 3 to 5 such stem parts. This will increase the chances of growing healthy cuttings. Let the cutting dry in shade for 3 to 7 days until the cut calluses. This reduces rot. Step 2, rooting method. You can root in potting mix or water. For soil, dip the calloused end in, rooting hormone optional, and plant into a well-draining, mix 60% coarse sand, perlite, plus 40% potting soil, about 10 to 15 centimeters deep. For water, place the calloused end in a jar of water. Change water every 3 to 4 days. Keep in bright, indirect light, and 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. Water sparingly, moist but not soggy. Mist occasionally to maintain humidity. If using soil, expect root formation in 3 to 6 weeks. You'll know it's rooted when you see white roots or new growth at the top. If cutting rots, the root cause is overwatering or uncalloused ends. Always let cuts dry first. Yellowing equals too much water. No roots after 6 weeks equals try fresh hormone and a new cutting. Once cuttings grow 12 to 18 inches, transplant to a larger pot with a strong trellis. Feed lightly every month with balanced fertilizer. Dragonfruit love full sun once established. If you want a full tutorial on trellising and feeding for bigger fruit, hit subscribe and click the bell. I'll show my exact fertilizer schedule next. Like this video if you want more propagation tips. Thank you for watching.